Hi everybody, I'm just going to make a wee video on what I'm bringing to the market at Solsger's farm in October. It's only September just now, I know, but I'm going to make some witches' broomsticks. I'll invite people to come and make their own, so you might as well see how they're made. I've got my trusty willow stick for a broom handle, and then of course, been foraging as per usual. I've got lots of broom. I'm sure that broom is the origin of the name broomsticks. All you do is you keep adding broom all the way around the stick. Do you see that? It's very witchy already. You keep putting it around and around until you have enough broom to cover your broomstick. I'm going to use something that's not very natural, but it's very easy. Saves me a lot of hassle. And that is, I'm just looking for a wee space. That is a cable tie. Cable ties are very handy, but they are made of plastic. So, however, I use fencing wire, but for this video, a cable tie is much quicker. I'm just going to tighten up this cable tie till it's really tight. And then, I'll put my wire on just to make sure of it. Oh, I think it's going to fit around this. Oh, I'll show you the kind of wire. This is very old-fashioned. It's got two circles on either end, and that enables you to make it tight. And the way to do that is to put a trusty screwdriver through the two holes. Don't know if you can see that, and then twist around and around her until it's reasonably tight. Once you've done that, you disguise it by wrapping the whole thing in string. I'm just going to do a bit quickly because it's too boring watching somebody wrapping string around and around. But you can get the idea. See it? Right. There's one last thing. To make a tidy broom, you go to all the lengths of your broom and then snip, snip, snip until it's all the same length. Oh, I think it might be time for me to get another pair of secateurs. There we are, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, speak to you soon. June, bye bye.